So you know the outing is legit when you get smoke in the eyes and the sun. And I picked a bad spot. I'm gonna be trying the Gold Keely ginger drink with honey. I've actually not had this yet. I bought these last, I think, November. I was watching Through Failure We Succeed. Real good dude. Did a shout out for him. Great guy. I like his content. And he was showing me these. I'll show you the package when I get home. I might roll in a photo or just take a quick 2-3 second video when I get home. I only brought out what I needed. I didn't want to bring the whole bag. Someone's out shooting mini rounds. I'm going to be trying this for the first time. I actually really like ginger. It's one of my favorite flavors. And I haven't had this drink yet. It's a little warm though. I think I might make up the drink and then set it aside and let it cool down a bit before trying it. Alright, almost forgot to do this, but here's the drink, Gold Keely. Came in 2-pack. Got my water going for my beverage, which is going to be the same spot I do my lunch. I'm basically reheating lunch. I'm going to be cooking a big complex meal. It's sad, but for some reason I couldn't find my my bandanas. Like I had like 5 or 6 of them. I couldn't find them. I looked everywhere. Well, everywhere except for where they are. So I had to bring out an old dish towel for a pot grabber. This is just laying around in the bottom of a drawer, so I figured, well, I'll use it. Better than burning your hand on a hot pot lid or pot handle. Alright, we got ourselves a curry boil. Just went down and washed my hands in the stream, so there we go. Sweet. Damn it, I just realized that was off a little bit. Couldn't see the view screen. YouTuber fail. Alright, so today's lunch, it's going to be, we got the Hereford meatballs, which I really like. I did a video on these and I made spaghetti meatballs. I'll try to link them below. Thank you again, Calzona Outdoors. He sent me these because I commented I was having trouble finding them. They're on Amazon, but they're like a 10-pack, and I didn't know if I want to spend 50 bucks for a 10-pack or whatever it costs. Then I got some Uncle Ben's original jasmine rice. This is that pre-made rice. I love rice and I love jasmine rice, so I'm taking this idea straight from the Barnyard Outdoors cooking playbook. Heat up the rice, heat up the meatballs. Then I got some ragu for one, just in case there's not enough sauce. But there might be. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to plop them right into the pot. And just heat them up. And then I'll dump the water out and then transfer it back into the pot and just finish it off. I'm not in a huge hurry. Make sure we got the meat. You know, just keep a close eye on it. Hopefully the water will disperse the heat so the bags won't melt, which I guess I'm not on camera again. Dang it. Another fail. So this Canon has like the slow zoom. So there she is cooking. And I just realized I forgot to grab Parmesan, even though I told myself twice, Mark, grab Parmesan, and I still didn't do it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. Might be a little too hot still, but you know, curiosity burned the cat, so blow on it. Wow, that's got a nice sharp taste. No, not a sharp taste. How do I describe it? It's not overly sweet, but there's when you swallow it, there's like a real strong ginger presence that's really good. Oh yeah, I like that. Real good. Cheers, everybody. Yeah, that's a win. I'll make sure to link the Amazon. I bought them on Amazon. They weren't very expensive. I don't recall. But I'll try to link them below. You can try the drink yourselves. Still a little hot, but that's alright. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to just turn these. Turn these actually upside down. So the top gets some heat too. Move that to the back. And then probably gonna need to add a little bit of fuel. The fire looks like it's burning down. Sweet. I'm quite enjoying myself. It's a nice day. The sun's out. The birds are chirping. I've got nature's radio behind me. I don't listen to music while I'm out here. I just shut it all off, other than the camera. I don't need distraction. I get enough of that at home and at work. Hell, I literally got off the computer, came out here, so you know, I was already being distracted by, you know, just the internet and whatnot. The red comments, you know, people dissing on the day trip, and it's like, what's could possibly be wrong with the day trip? You're out in nature. I got a nice fire. I got lunch going. Got a nice, delicious beverage. Plenty of water to drink. I can't reach it, but I got a filter behind me. I got my Sawyer squeeze. I can filter all the water I want. I've got all the fuel I could ever need and more. Yeah. I mean, other than finding DB Cooper's money, I mean, it is a great day. Well, I think he actually bailed out over Oregon, but you know, the winds might have blown it over. So, and I wouldn't turn that in either. I'd 100% keep that shit. It's like, oh, a whole bunch of money. Take it home and yeah. I mean, if you happen to be a federal agent watching this, I would absolutely turn it into the proper authorities. Wink, nudge. Just so you know. I kinda like this ginger drink. It's pretty good. Pretty good. A little strong, but I don't mind that. I'm in absolutely no hurry to get lunch going. I'm actually not super hungry. So, it's been a good day so far though. Alright, so I'm getting a little hungry, so let's get to this. Sure. Hey, look what happened to my lid again. Damn, that thing melted. Make them out of metal, guys. Alright. The water was actually boiling, so... Oh yeah, everything is nice and soft in here. I don't really need the water, so I'm going to get rid of it. I'm going to go meatballs first, if I can open it. I got stuck. Alright. Rice here. Kind of wish I had just single servings of rice, but rice in there. Make sure I keep all my trash picked up. Well, actually looks pretty good. So, see if it's on now. Good. What? Don't really need the fire anymore, but Alright. I guess I already took a couple bites, but I was actually thinking it was going to be a little bit too much food, but actually it was fine for a single person. Meatballs are hot, clear through. Rice is good. Well, I'm going to enjoy this off camera. I'll catch you guys when I feel. Well, lunch was pretty scrumptious, I have to say. So, just letting the fire die down now as I relax. Excuse me. Been drinking out of my cup. Almost out of water. I actually drank through. Well, I didn't drink all of it. I poured some in the pan. I could have just gone down the river for water, but since I was already here, so it's been a good day. It's been quite a while since I've done anything like this. My shirt's finally starting to dry out. I've just been relaxing. I'll probably pack up here soon and head home, do a few things around the house that I've been kind of neglecting. It hasn't been super long. I just gotta pick up this, put that away, put this away. A few other things. I don't think I need to go to the store. Yeah, maybe I do, but if I do, I do. Or I could just stop on my way home, but I'm not really sure what I need. So I'll just kind of play it by ear. Been a good day though. Kind of miss doing this. Forgotten how much I like forest camp. Might have to get out here and overnight eventually. So, bring my hammock. Alright, time to wrap up, I think. One more cup of that. That should be good. Alright, just gotta get my stuff together and I'm out of here. I do want to thank you all for watching. Kind of a... when the camera's on, man. Anyway, it's been too long since I've been out in the woods. Missed it. I hope to get out more often now that the weather's nice. But, yeah. I'm gonna pack up. I really didn't bring much, but I'm gonna pack up and get out of here. Fire's all doused. Forgot to bring a bag to carry out my cook pot in, so I might have to just carry it out by hand so I don't get the inside of my pack all smutty. But anyway, other outings, I don't know how many outings it's gonna be, so I'll probably link them below or on the end card. They might be popping up right now, so you'll probably see them floating around in these areas. Probably about right. Well, it could actually be right here. So whatever, either side. And of course I'll link the description as well. And thank you again. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.